Before you pay more than 30,000 for a 2-bedroom, you might want to see this one. Today I'm taking you to a beautiful unit with great finishes and amazing space.
Quick reminder, like this video and subscribe for more amazing house tours. Let's go check it out. This is the living room, guys, which is bright and airy with natural light flooding it, making it beautiful and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for relaxing. Let's head over and check our master bedroom, which is right over here. The room is bright, it's very big and can accommodate any bed size. It has this wall-mounted closet for storing your clothes. Then right over here we have the Ensuite bathroom, which is very spacious. It comes with this hand washing sink, then has an instant shower. That's your lavatory. Let's head over to the bathroom and lavatory, which are separate for added convenience. Here we are, guys. This is your bathroom. It has an instant shower. Then right over here we have the lavatory. They are very clean and modern. Right outside we have this hand washing sink, which has a wall mounted mirror, and this is the kids bedroom. It's well lit, very bright and airy. It has this mirror. That's the closet for kids where they store their clothes. This is the mirror. Let's head over to the kitchen now. Here we have the kitchen, which is modern and stylish. It features sleek cabinets and a beautiful granite countertop. It's not only elegant, but also practical, giving you plenty of space to cook and move around easily. The kitchen has a balcony, which has panoramic views of the surrounding. This is your laundry area. It has this tap. Then you can connect your washing machine there. You can hang your clothes there. Let me show you. And that's the surrounding area.
This house is in the market at only Kenya shillings 25,000. To view or make a reservation for it, you can call us from 0715 304 497 or 0737 475 444. Thank you for watching till this far, and see you in the next episode of House Hunting. God bless you and take care.